Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I cook this delicious vegetable soup using just 2 vegetables. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate, and let's get started. To begin, in a clean pot, I added in my already washed stockfish, cow skin. All the proteins are properly washed. Now add in some water to it. Go ahead and season with some onions, season cubes, salt. Stir, cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes. After some minutes now, let's check on the pot. Give it a gentle stir. Now go ahead and add in the shaki, cow face, some seasoned cubes. Add some water to it, give it a stir, cover the pot and let it start cooking. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, Next, for this recipe, I will be using fresh spinach, done blanching and squeezing out the excess water out. So next, go ahead and cut into tiny pieces or parts or to your desired size. Looking at the screen here, we are done cutting the spinach. Now set it aside. Next, we are checking on the pot. Now give it a stir. We are using crabs for this recipe. Well properly cleaned. Add it into the pot. Add in your cleaned octopus. This is optional. Add in your locust, beans, fresh pepper. Add to your desired quantity. So next I'll be adding in my grounded crayfish. Top it up with 1 extra nut cube. So next I added in some red palm oil. Stir to combine. Cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes, for about 5 to 10 minutes. After some minutes now, open the pot. Now go ahead and add in your smoked mackerel fish. Top it up with some uziza powder, but this is optional. For the second vegetable, we are using kale. I'm making use of the frozen one, already melted and squeezing out the excess water out. So feel free to use the fresh one if that is what you prefer. Finally, we are adding in the spinach. Feel free to taste for salt. Mix to combine. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes. Keep an eye on the pot so you don't overcook your vegetables. After some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Give it a gently and lovely stir. Turn off the heat immediately. Our vegetable soup is ready to be served. Serve with any swallow of your choice. Transfer the soup to a cold container immediately so it doesn't change color. Very easy and quick soup to prepare. Tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember blessed and see you on my next video. Bye.